Did you know that most eyewear issues can be fixed on your own? In today's video, I'm going to share some handy repair tips that help you tackle these problems easily at home. We'll cover how to remove and install lenses, replace nose pads, and change screws, including regular screws and spring hinges. Let's get started. If you have full-rim glasses, look for a spot near the top of the lens, right by the frame. This is the weakest point, and if you're pushing there, the lens should pop right out. Now, if your glasses are semi-rimmed and you can't remove the lens using the above method, you'll need a hook. Use the hook to pull out the nylon string from the bottom of the semi-rimmed glasses. It's pretty straightforward, but be careful not to poke yourself or damage the lens. Once you've got the lens out, how do you put it back in? This can be a challenge for many folks. You'll want to insert the lens from this side, making sure it lines up with the groove inside the frame. Just align it with one side of the groove, then push the rest into place. For semi-rimmed glasses, you can use that hook or even a ribbon to help with the progress. That's it for the tips on removing and installing lenses. If you've tried multiple times and still can't get it right, I recommend reaching out to a professional. Now, let's talk about metal frame glasses. They can get oxidized over time, especially around the nose pads. If you don't clean them regularly, sweat and oils can build up, leading to oxidation and yellowing. To keep them looking fresh, just swap out the nose pads for a new pair. When the screw at the hinge of your glasses gets loose, the frame won't fit properly. We need to tighten that screw with a screwdriver. Before you start, check that the screw is in good shape so you can safely tighten and replace it. And when you are using the screwdriver, don't hold the glasses in the air. It's best to stabilize them on a flat surface. If you have spring hinge glasses, the usual method might not work because the spring mechanism usually compresses. In this case, the screw won't go in. We need to pull the temple out slightly and hold it in place to align it with the screw hole in the frame so the screw can go in smoothly. I'll show you how to do this. hope this video helps you tackle your eyeglass repair challenges. In the next episode, we'll teach you how to tell if your glasses fit properly and how to adjust them if the frame is bent. Thanks for watching, that's all.